Now, there is a big difference between someone speaking truly about something versus someone being told to speak. It's a huge difference. But okay, let's hear what does Regan have to say.
A 34-year-old, he kick-started his business in the year 2012. He was accused of being involved in the disappearance of Jocelyn. He's currently, with the help of the mayor and the municipality and the South African Police Service, in a safe location. But he was ultimately accused of being involved in this particular matter. He was subsequently then kidnapped, and it is classified as a kidnapping case, and SAPS is investigating that particular matter because we are very clear the law must take its course, but political parties and any persons that is trying to use the pain of communities are ultimately brought to book so that we can rest assured that the investigation is ongoing.